So the most common example of active transport is sodium potassium pump, that is ATPase pump. The sodium potassium pump system moves sodium and potassium ions against large concentration gradients. It moves two potassium ion into the cell where potassium levels are high and pump three sodium ions out of the cell and into the extracellular fluid. So this whole process is done with the help of ATP molecule. Here you can see the ATP is converted into ADP and one phosphate ion is released. The carrier protein is phosphorylated, which causes the change in its shape. So with the change in shape, it can attach to three sodium ions and can transport it outside the cell. Second example is thyroxine uptake by thyroid gland. The thyroid gland accumulates iodine as it is needed to manufacture the higher hormone thyroxine. There is as much as 25 times more concentrated thyroid than in the blood. Third is proton pump in mitochondria. So in order to make ATP in mitochondria, proton pump is required, which is the movement of protons from lower concentration to higher concentration with the help of ATP. Next is vesicular transport. Vesicular itself means the transport with the help of any vesicle. It is of two types, endocytosis and exocytosis. Endo means inside, that is the movement of the particles inside the cell. This can be by invagination of the cell membrane. This requires energy. So there are two types of endocytosis, pinocytosis and phagocytosis. Pinocytosis is called cell drinking, that is the movement of water-filled vacuole inside the cell is called pinocytosis. Phagocytosis is called cell eating, that is large particles which are invaginated into the cell. This electromicrograph also shows the phagocytosis. Here you can see the pseudopodium of amoeba, bacteria and food vacuole. And pinocytosis. Here you can see the fluid-filled vacuoles in the pseudopodium of amoeba. These pictures also show the capturing of a yeast cell by membrane extension of an immune system cell. Next is receptor-mediated endocytosis. Some integral proteins, they have receptors on their surface to recognize an intake of the hormones. So they create a receptor-mediated vacuole with the help of which the movement of molecules takes place inside the cell. Next is exocytosis. Exo means outside, that is the movement of particles from inside to outside of the cell is called exocytosis. In the animation itself, you can see the vesicle is moving outside the vesicle is merging with the plasma membrane and causing the release of the content of vesicle outside the plasma membrane. So this also requires energy. This is the summarized pictures of endocytosis and exocytosis. Membrane transport protein. So to move certain molecules, there are certain proteins. First, water channels or aquaporins. There are 12 types of aquaporins. The amount of water is regulated by these aquaporins. These are also known as gated channels. There are two types of aquaporins. Only water is moved. Aquaglyceroporins only for small molecules. Ion channels. These are especially in the excitable cells, for example in neurons and muscle cells. These can be voltage gated and ligand gated. The conductance can be measured in 1 to 2 picosiemens or more than 100 picosiemens. Example is sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, anions and cations. Solute carriers. There are more than 40 types of solute carriers and more than 300 types of transporter. These can be of three types: uniport, symport, and antiport. Uniport means the single molecule is moving across the plasma membrane. For example, glucose transport. Symport means two or more molecules are transporting across the plasma membrane and both are moving in the same direction. Antiport means two or more molecules are moving but they are moving in the opposite direction. For example, sodium proton antiporter. These pictures also show the uniport, symport, and antiport. Next is ATP dependent transport, which includes P-type, that is P-type gated phosphorylated during transport sodium potassium pump, and V-type, that is vacuolar proton ATPase. Thank you.